Hey, what's up guys? So just finished the install on the new Emblem for the Cobra there, as well as a new hood insulator blanket here. I'm gonna turn up the brightness for you guys so you guys can see it. But I don't know if you guys know, but it does say Cobra down the middle, which is cool, but my old one was just disgusting. So this one's nice and new. I bought this from LMR. I think they're like the only ones that have this, so pick that up. Looks really nice. Happy with the way it looks for sure. Here's my old one. Old one was all nasty, all torn up. So the Cobra looks pretty good. I'm definitely picky. The one I had on here before, which these are all aftermarket anyway, but the one I had before, just the mold of it was a little nicer. Just the eye looks a little better. The eye's really tiny on that one. Let's see here. The eye's really tiny on this one. I don't know, so we'll see. I'm thinking about maybe plasti dipping it and then wiping off the plasti dip off the chrome and leaving it in the black areas here, because you can see it's faded and stuff. So I might try that, or I'll just give away this one here, or I'll just stick with it and just kind of deal with it. But I think this one just looks, this one's definitely more quality like, so I don't know if I'm going to be keeping this one on or not. So I mean, it looks good from a distance. You can see the lines are really skinny and kind of wavy. I know this is being very nitpicky, but you know, compared to what I had, you know, it just looks better. So I think I'm gonna try to see if I can repair that a little bit more. I thought it was the exact same, but it's not. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And then I'm going to be doing a little bit more repairs on my exhaust hangers. They're starting to crack. So I got some new exhaust hangers that I got to put on the car yet. I might make a video. If you guys want me to make a video on that, leave a comment down below if you guys want to see something like that. If not, it's a pretty simple install. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.